Welcome back, traders, to the channel. Today is the 1st of November 2024, and this is where I take a look at the market for you guys, analyze so many charts and instruments, and tell you what to look out for today. So this is the first part of the recording where I discuss CFDs and indices as well as a few cryptos. So if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you get notified every morning London section when I post these updates. It's going to help you to look critically into your decisions, your biases, your analysis, and all that. And it's also going to help you see a broader view of the market and the charts, because it helps to have more than one input, view, and thoughts about what the market is doing, especially with analysis type like wave analysis, where we strictly take critical looks at chart patterns and what they could be making and how they could be moving. So this will help you in making your own decisions too about trading and where you enter, where you exit, and all of that. So if that is what you would want to be seeing often, do well to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you any money to subscribe. All you need to do is to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Alright, so let's move on to gold. Gold, remember yesterday I mentioned that gold would come up here to break this top again. I mentioned that it would come here because it was here by yesterday London section, somewhere here. So I said it was going to come up. Okay, that was not London section. It was here yesterday by Asian section. So I told you it will come up to break this top once more, but it wouldn't go far, so I wouldn't consider trying to buy this thing because it's already ripe for this move. Okay, and what happened is that it didn't even go up, it didn't even give us that move to break the top again. It just came down straight, and this happens that this was the top. Happened that this was the top. Let me check the one that is the top really. Okay, it happened that this was the top, this one right here. Happened that was the top, so it didn't go any further. It started giving us this. And that was the first move to the downside. Yeah, even though it looked corrective, but I didn't realize this on time. Would have looked for an entry somewhere here, but thought it was just pulling back to still go break the top once more, so I didn't care to give it attention. So it did this move that I talked about yesterday, which is okay. We missed that. I took some of that trade on USD card. Yeah, I was also looking at GBP USD and I missed it, so I took this trade on USD card, but that's by the way, we'll come to this later. So gold is now looking like it's getting ready to move up. Remember, I told you to expect this move because it will come. So we may have completed the move now. So here is the thing. The big question here is gold going to break this top again, or is this the start of the down move, the bigger down move, or are we making another correction here? Are we going to link this to this and link this to this, and we're just starting to make another correction here? That's a big question to ask. But for the meantime, let's leave it that gold will go to break this stop. So with this right here, I'm going to even put a pending order. We'll also do the same on my account. Let me put a 1 lot pending order, and I'll also quickly go do that on my account. So just break the stop, and even though it will go a bit further, but just break the top and give us as 1:2. Not bad. If it comes up here, forms another correction, we can then increase our lot size using this one as a buffer. Anyways, that is it for gold. Let's move on to silver. A moment please, I think I should put that trade on. So welcome back. Let's go to silver. Yeah, we're on silver. So yesterday I was saying that this move was looking more corrective in nature and seems like it may come down some more. So told you if this thing pulls back here, it might just do this and come down as long as it pulled back here. So wait for this and you can put your entry order here to sell. So it just didn't happen that way, but here is the thing. Remember, I was wondering what this move was for. Remember, this one in particular, I was wondering and telling you that there is nothing to complete that or to factor in for that to be a complete flat. So I was also waiting for this move. If you look at my daily recording or video from a day before yesterday, I told you if this happens, we'll get this. It happened that this was the start of the down move, and this was a correction. So we came down, made a correction in the middle, came down, pulled back, completed this. You can see that now, right? So we came down, we made this correction, and this, if I had known that this was this, I thought this would come down and pull back. So if I had known or just looked at it critically and assumed that this was this, I would have at least reduced my lot size and risk and try to get this maybe with a 0.2 or 0.3 and try to see what happens here. And I'll put my stop just right above here, just in case this decides to pull back for this. But anyways, we missed the trade. But right now we have clarity of what the chart is doing and what it has done. So that means that we have this right now. Take this one out first, and it means this is a correction on its own. So we have 1, 2, and a squeeze. So we have AB squeeze here, what we'll call AB squeeze. I'll put it this way. So we have AB squeeze, and we did come down for this. But here is the thing. Silver is looking more like it will go down further. It's looking more like it will do this, maybe even do this, come here, do this, give us this, and come down one more. It's looking that way. So keep a close eye on it, and hopefully we monitor it so closely and it goes up at the same time with gold. That's it for silver. Let's take a look at USOIL, where I told you it could be going up for this move. Right, yesterday I mentioned that it could be going for this move right here, this one. You can go back and watch that recording So the broke out here, broke out of this line, it's forming a correction here. After it broke out, it means it will go up some more, and if it goes up some more, this becomes the 1, 2 here and a 3. Okay, we go up for this and hopefully we come back. So it's playing out the way I forecasted, and if you had your entry order there, because I told you can always put your entry order above this. So if you had your entry order there and had your stop somewhere here or even at the bottom, you did well. This might go up, push up some more, so might not really go far, I don't know, but you can just keep your eyes on it if you trade US oil. And the same I think will go for UK oil too. Yeah, I told you, that was why this line was put here yesterday, because of breaking out of this and forming a correction. Let's take it out. So could be going some more up for this move, this one right here, you can see could be going some more because of that move there. So let's put this here and take this out. Okay, could be going up some more, so this could be a trade but may not go far. So if you're trading these, you have to trading the oils, you have to keep a close eye. Let's go over to US 30 where wonders was done yesterday. And that's fine, that's okay, it's part of the game. Thought this move was gonna come, told you it was gonna come, but it's ended up becoming so extended of this, but we will get this move hopefully sometime in the future. We'll get this, we might even be getting this move right now. You never can tell, sometimes these indices can act so weird, so we might even be getting this move right now, but I wouldn't really buy it. I wouldn't really buy it unless it breaks out of here on the 5 minutes chart, makes a correction on the 5 minutes chart, then I'll consider buying, because this already pulled back very low, so it could become this still and go down one more. So you never know. Let it come here, make some flag, take it, put your stop below. If it goes to the stop, put your stop to break even. So if it comes here, it becomes a risk-free trade. Yeah, that's what you should be looking at right now. And if it goes up, voila, Benji, you made some money. Okay, so that's it for US 30. Let's go to NAS 100, which is also looking like it has some more downsides to make. So for NAS, we were looking at it also coming up yesterday to about this. Okay, it was here yesterday, somewhere around here. So we were looking for this to be an impulse, to give us an impulse, a correction for us to buy, but it didn't do that. Instead, it went back lower and formed this. So this ended up becoming the running flat, and this one was just a pullback on its own. Okay, so we had this, it's forming a correction here, which might go down one more or even some more, but this one might also be interesting to sell. But here is the thing, if on the 5 minutes it breaks out of this, and makes a flag, we can consider buying it. And if you're too aggressive enough, it seems that it's breaking out of this one already. Yeah, it broke out and it's making a flag. So if you're aggressive enough, this could be the low. Which one is, yeah, if you're aggressive enough, this could be the low, and we are just going up. But here is the thing, an impulse, a pullback, and it is doing this. Could go here, come back, could go here for this, come back for this. And if it does all these things here, we might not be going up. We might just end up coming here and then going to break the low again. But sometimes these things are so weird. They can do all these clusters at the bottom or at the top and still go for that move. So you just have to keep your eye on this one. If it does this, it could even do this and come out here to make a correction after it broke this stop. So just keep your eye on it. If you want to be so aggressive, you can take it from here, but reduce your risk, and once it gets to the top, put your stop losses to break even and see what it goes, if it continues going or not. Also for S&P 500, we could be getting the same thing. And yesterday we also was looking for this to become the reversal to the upside, but it didn't happen. We're looking for this, it didn't happen. It ended up becoming this running flat and did this. So the question here is, are we going up? Are we going up for that move or not? It's also breaking out from this and forming a correction. So are we going up for that move, which is this? Where is that arrow? Which is this move. Are we going to get it somewhere here for this to continue? Are we going up for that move right now? The answer is that we could just be going up for that move. Yeah, we could. So one risk I'll take here is to take this with 0.5 lots as an instant market order and bring my risk here. So let's see what it does. So risking 130 to 133 to get 1,280. So let's just see how it goes. If it's the move going or if it's not, because I think this is now the first impulse into this move. This is now the first impulse into the move. This right here is now the first impulse into the move, and this, we are getting this, and we will get this. So this is looking whole corrective in nature. So after this, we most likely will still be going up. That's it for S&P 500. German 30 came down quite some more. Wasn't expecting it to come down some more, just was expecting it to come as far as breaking this low and going up, but it came down quite some more. And we could also be going up from here. We could be going up. What is the bigger picture like? So we could be going up. We have this impulse, we have this sharp move, we have this sharp move, and we got this. We 1, 2, 3. And can we say this is with this? We can't really say that because this has no significant correction in it before we got this move and got this one. This is the one that has a significant correction. So could it be that we are going to get something like this, making this the 1, the 2, the 3, get here, completing this, go up for this, come back for this, and then go up? Could we be getting something like that? Is this going to also form a channel or ending diagonal? Everything here, I mean. Is it going to form a channel or ending diagonal? Looking like a channel. Is it going to form a channel? We don't know for now yet. We don't know for now yet. Let's just keep an eye on it. Let's just keep an eye on it to see if we get this, and then get this, then get this, then get this, and we'll continue going up. Let's see if we get that. So that would be it for German 30. So what you will do is to go to the 15. This looks like it is going up. We have an impulse, we have a correction, so we might just be going up. We might also just come up here, make this the correction, and it ends up becoming this. We'll have 1, 2, 3, we'll have 1, 2, 3, and we'll come down some more. Yeah, it could also be that it is going up to break the top again. Let's just keep our eyes on that. It seems very much like it is going up for this top, and which means if we catch it very early here, to be very amazing, but don't rush it, because this could also be a correction in its making where we'll have a 1. Hold on. Could this be a contracting flat in the middle? I'll have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Could this be a contracting flat, or is this coming up for this? Just to correct it, come down for this before it goes back up for this. Are we going to see this? It's gradually breaking out, and I might reduce my risk and buy it for 0.5 and see how far it goes. Let's see how far it goes. Put this stop loss here, 183, and let's see if this is the start of this move. Let's see if it's the start of that move. Okay, UK 100 GBP. Okay, this one is, it was the one that met our expectation by just coming to break this low and looking like it's going back up. So let's anticipate for this move, which is this one. Right here, let's see if we can get something in that length, equivalent length. Let's just see. So it's looking like it will go up, and you can start putting your pending order, or just wait for it to make some more corrections here on the 1 hour time frame, and then you can you can buy it. All right, that's it for UK 100. Let's go to BTC. Okay, came down quite a lot. This ended up becoming a correction to move down. So the question here is, have we just come down for this move and going back up right now, or is this all the correction we have here? Is this all the correction we have here? Contracting flat, and this is this, and then we are getting this, which is this. Could it be that? Could it be that? Well, we'll see. Let's wait to see if it forms a correction here, then we'll sell it further. Okay, let's just wait to see if it forms a correction there. We'll further sell it for that down move. Keep a close eye on this one. You might get some good trades, but if it forms an impulse here, a correction, just know you have to sell it to break this stop once more before we finally come for this move. Ethereum came down quite a lot. Wow, came down quite a lot. Okay, if we break this low, just like I said, if we break this, we might just be coming down for this, and then we'll take this as a 1, 2, 3. Where we take this as a 1, 2, 3, where this becomes the flat in the middle, contracting flat. But let's not just conclude yet until we see what happens here, if it will make an impulse, a correction to go, or if it will make a correction here to come down for that. If it makes an impulse, a correction goes, this might come back here before we see this. Bear that in mind. Bear that in mind. BNB came down quite some more. It already broke this stop, but I was expecting it to go break this stop, this one. It didn't. This is okay if it breaks this particular top. This is okay. It has completed. It may have completed. So let's wait for a correction here, and we can sell it further for this move. But the move will now come to break this low. Yeah, to come to break this low. So wait for that move to come. Let me clean these things. Wait for that move to come. It will come break this low. If it forms a correction here, it will come break this low. What am I doing? Where did it go? Yeah, it will come break that low. So wait for it. Let's go to the last one, which I do for you guys, Shiba Inu. Okay, it already broke the top, and I told you to look for sales any moment from yesterday. Okay, I didn't upload that part yesterday. In the recording from the last 2 days, I told you to look for this move coming down because it could start any moment from now. So maybe it has started, maybe this is just a pullback for it to still go up some more. Let's just keep an eye to see if it forms a correction here. We sell. It goes up, makes a flag, we buy. That's it for metals, indices, and cryptos. And now we are going to head to the part 2 of this recording. Trade carefully.